Good morning everyone. How are you all? Stay home, stay safe. In our last class we went over parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Okay, so we'll revise them and we'll do the exercise after this. Parts of speech, what are they? Noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Okay, we'll quickly go over all of these and then we will do the exercise. Noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay. Adjective. An adjective tells us more about a noun. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Pronoun is a word that we use in place of a noun. For example, he gave me the news yesterday. Here he is used in place of a man's or boy's name. So this is a pronoun. Verb. A verb tells us what person, animal or things do, what they are or what they have. So this is actually a doing word, okay, action word. It tells you what sort of action is taking place in the sentence. The Indian team beat the Australian team. Here the Indian team beat. So this word beat here is our verb. The students of our class are very intelligent. Here are is our work and these are called helping verbs. Okay, so next one, adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb tells us more about a verb. It tells us the verb in detail. Okay, the tortoise walked slowly. Here the verb is walked. The action that's going on in this sentence is walked. So our verb is walked. And the word that tells us more about this walk is the word slowly. So this is our adverb. Preposition. A preposition shows the relation between a noun, a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. So it connects the noun or pronoun or tells us what is the relationship between these nouns, pronouns, okay, in the sentence. For example, Samira sat on the chair near the window. So it's connecting Samira with the chair. Where did she sit? On the chair. And where did she sit? Near the window. Okay, so on and near are our prepositions. Conjunction. A conjunction helps in joining words, group of words or sentences. Conjunction is a word that is used to join two different sentences. Okay, for example, Jitu and Mona are my classmates. Here there are two sentences. Jitu is my classmate, Mona is my classmate. So we are adding these two, joining these two sentences and saying Jitu and Mona are my classmates. So the word that adds these two is and. So this is my conjunction. The last one, interjection. Interjection expresses a sudden feeling. A feeling out of joy or sadness is called conjunction. Okay. Hooray, my team has won. This is a feeling of excitement, happiness. So this word used here is our interjection. Okay, now let's go through these exercises. We'll do 2 of them today and then we'll do the rest in our next class. The first one, circle the noun, underline the pronoun and draw a box around adjective in the following sentences. So what we have to do? So in this first question, you have to circle the noun, underline the pronoun and draw a box around the adjective in the following sentences. Okay, the first one, Suhana is a sweet girl. Now here Suhana is noun, girl is noun and the word that's telling me in detail about the noun is sweet. So this is my adjective. Second one, she wanted to buy the brown teddy bear. Now she is used in place of a girl's name. So this is pronoun. Brown tells me more about the teddy bear, which is noun. So brown is my adjective. The third one, Sunny is riding the new bicycle. Now Sunny is the name of a boy. So this is noun. Bicycle is noun. And the word that tells me something about the bicycle, new, is my adjective. Next, are you coming to see the football match? You is pronoun. Football is noun. Number 5. I can see two birds making a nest. I is pronoun, birds and nest is noun. Number 6. Only 2 weeks are left for them to arrive. Here them is my pronoun. Number 7. We stay in tall building. We is pronoun, building is noun, and the word that tells me more about the building, tall, is my adjective. Last, I am hungry. Please give me food. Here I am is pronoun and food is my noun. Now the next exercise, in the following sentences underline the verb and circle the adverbs. Okay. So number 1, Soumya sang beautifully. Now here Soumya is noun, sang is the action word which is verb, and how did she sing? Beautifully. So beautifully is your adverb. Next, Rajiv is working hard in maths. Now here action word is working and hard is adverb. Next, my best friend Ananya has been in US for several years. Here has been is verb and years is your adverb. Number 4, Pia never attended the cultural events. Attended is my verb. Number 5, they had dinner at 8 p.m. every day. Had is my verb and every day is adverb. Number 6, Ruchira entered the house with her dog quietly. Now here action word is entered, so this is my verb. And how did she enter? Quietly. This is my adverb. Number 7, Pooja cooked the food yesterday. Now action is cooked, so this is the verb. And when did she cook the food? Yesterday. So this is my adverb. The last one, they often met in the park. Often is my adverb, met is the verb. Okay. So we'll do all these exercises C, D, E and F in our next class. So do all these ones and go over them with me in the next class to see if you have done it right or not. Okay.